Preparing for the Microsoft AI-103 exam? This guide covers the 2026 updates, focusing on the practical skills you need. The Microsoft AI-103 exam is the new standard for developers building AI apps and agents on Azure. Unlike older exams that focused on individual service silos, AI-103 centers on Microsoft Foundry. It tests your ability to build, manage, and deploy integrated AI solutions. This means a deep focus on generative AI and agentic systems, moving beyond simple API calls. The key is understanding how to assemble production-ready systems with grounding, tools, governance, and robust safety controls from the start. To focus your studies, let's look at the official skill weights as of April 2026. The two largest domains are implement generative AI and agentic solutions at 30 to 35%, and plan and manage an Azure AI solution at 25 to 30%. Together, they make up the majority of the exam. This tells you that Microsoft prioritizes your ability to architect a full solution, from planning, security, surveys, and cost management to building sophisticated RAG and agent workflows. The remaining areas cover computer vision, text analysis, and information extraction. AI-103 is a builder's exam, so theory isn't enough. To prepare, you should build a small portfolio of projects. Start with a Foundry project that deploys a model using managed identity. Build a RAG application with vector and hybrid search. Create an agent that uses at least two tools, like search and a custom function. Implement a flow to evaluate for relevance and safety, and build a document extraction pipeline. This hands-on experience is what separates passing candidates from those who only recognize terms. An 8-week study plan can provide structure. Start week 1 by mapping the official study guide to your notes. In weeks 2 and 3, focus on hands-on labs for planning, security, and building RAG pipelines with Azure AI Search. Weeks 4 and 5 are for generative app patterns and agentic solutions. Think function calling, tools, and memory. The next 2 weeks cover vision, speech, and extraction. In your final week, take timed practice exams to simulate the real test and review your weak areas. Avoid common mistakes that can derail your preparation. First, don't rely on old AI-102 study materials or dumps. They underweight Foundry, agents, and modern safety controls. Second, don't underestimate the planning domain. At 25 to 30%, it's too large to cram. Also, recognize that agents are more than just fancy prompts. You'll be tested on tools, memory, and orchestration. Finally, you must practice evaluation. If your only quality check is whether an answer sounds good, you are not ready for the exam scenario questions. A smart practice strategy is key. Start with a mixed set of about 30 practice questions to find your weak domains. Next, do targeted sets on the largest areas, Foundry planning and generative AI. Then, focus on scenario-heavy topics like agents, RAG, and information extraction. In your final review, take timed, mixed quizzes and only review the explanations after you finish. This approach helps you master the decision-making process for choosing the right Azure AI capability, which is exactly what the exam tests. The AI-103 is a builder's exam, and the best way to prepare is by building. Use the full study plan in our blog post to guide your hands-on lags. When you're ready to test your knowledge, use our free AI-103 practice questions to drill down on the key scenarios you'll face on exam day. Find the links to the full article and practice questions in the description below.